Imagine floating through the vast, dark emptiness of space. What do you see? Not just a void, but a breathtaking cosmic ocean, dotted with countless shimmering islands. These aren't islands of land and sand, but islands of stars, gas, and dust. We call them galaxies. Each one is a universe in itself, a colossal collection of billions, sometimes trillions, of stars, all bound together by the invisible force of gravity. Our own sun is just one star in one of these islands, the Milky Way. Tonight, we're going on a tour of these cosmic islands, exploring their incredible diversity and witnessing the spectacular dramas that unfold when they collide. So strap in as we journey through the islands of the cosmic ocean. First up, let's talk about how we sort these celestial cities. Astronomers, like celestial city planners, have grouped galaxies into three main types. The first are the spiral galaxies, the pinwheels of the cosmos. Our home, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy. So is our closest large neighbor, Andromeda. They have a bright central bulge, packed with older stars, and majestic spiral arms filled with young, hot blue stars, gas, and dust. These arms are the stellar nurseries of the universe, where new stars are constantly being born. They are dynamic, vibrant, and absolutely beautiful. Next, we have the elliptical galaxies. If spirals are the bustling cities, ellipticals are the grand, ancient empires. They're typically huge, blob-like collections of stars that look like cosmic footballs or fuzzy spheres. Unlike spirals, they don't have those distinct arms. They're mostly made up of older, redder stars, and they have very little gas and dust left. This means star formation has largely ceased. They are the calm, settled elders of the galactic community, containing some of the oldest stars in the universe. They're like giant retirement homes for stars, serene and glowing with a soft, golden light. Finally, we have the cosmic rebels, the irregular galaxies. These galaxies don't fit into the neat categories of spiral or elliptical. They're chaotic, messy, and lack any defined shape or structure. Think of them as the free spirits of the universe. They are often rich in gas and dust, and as a result, they can be hotspots of intense star formation, lighting up with the brilliant blue of young, massive stars. Many irregular galaxies are the result of galactic near misses or gravitational tug-of-wars with their neighbors, which scramble their structure and leave them wonderfully disorganized. Now, what happens when these colossal islands of stars don't just pass by, but are set on a collision course? It's a cosmic ballet choreographed by gravity. When two galaxies get close, their mutual gravity begins to pull them apart. Long, graceful streamers of stars and gas, called tidal tails, are stretched out into space. It's a slow-motion spectacle that takes hundreds of millions of years to unfold. The stars themselves rarely collide. Space is just too big. But the vast clouds of gas and dust within the galaxies smash into each other with tremendous force. This collision of gas clouds triggers a spectacular event, a starburst. The compression and shock waves ignite a furious wave of star formation, creating millions of new stars in a relatively short period. The galaxy lights up, burning brighter than it has in billions of years. It's a violent yet incredibly creative process. But the drama doesn't end there. Over millions more years, the two galaxies will dance around each other, merging and eventually settling down into a single, larger galaxy. Often the end result of a spiral-spiral merger is a brand new, massive elliptical galaxy, its star-forming days now behind it. This isn't just a distant cosmic phenomenon, it's our own future. Our Milky Way galaxy is currently hurtling towards the Andromeda galaxy at about 250,000 miles per hour. In about 4.5 billion years, our descendants, if they're still around, will witness the beginning of the greatest merger in our local cosmic neighborhood. The night sky will be set ablaze with new stars as the two galaxies intertwine. Eventually, they will combine to form a new, giant, elliptical galaxy, which some astronomers have already nicknamed Milkomeda. So, from the elegant spirals to the ancient ellipticals and chaotic irregulars, each galaxy tells a story. And through their spectacular collisions and mergers, they are constantly evolving, shaping the structure of our universe on the grandest scale imaginable. These islands of stars are not static, They are living, breathing entities in the vast cosmic ocean, forever changing and creating the universe we see today. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember you're not just seeing distant lights, you're gazing upon the history and the future of the cosmos written in stars. Thanks so much for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this exploration of the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.